Hi, I'm Rachel with Ally Safety, and today I want to show you how to make your own How I Work Safe video. Ultimately, I made this example video to be an easy template that you could use no matter your industry, equipment availability, or editing capabilities. All you really need are 4 sheets of paper, maybe 5, a marker for people to write the words "Why I Work Safe," a tripod or someone to hold a camera, and a camera. Whatever you have available is fine, whether it's a GoPro camera, a phone, a professional camera, the camera on your laptop. As you can see from the example video, we had all sorts. Have your group each find a photo of why they work safe, and leave it open to interpretation. This can be family, friends, fun, hobbies, pets, faith, whatever motivates you outside of work or even work too. Then show that photo to the camera. You can then take those images and put them all together in whatever editing program you have, whether it's the one that came for free with your computer or some high-end pro version. You can even use the free app on your phone usually too. Add some music and then end it with your company's safety slogan. You'll notice that before the slogan, I decided to put the question, "Why do you work safe?" on screen. You could do it that way, or have someone write it on a piece of paper and hold it up, or leave that part out. It's up to you. If you'd like more information on the specific equipment or music that I suggest, you can check it out in the links below. If you end up making a video like this, please post a link in the comments so you can see what creative spin you put on it and also learn from one another. A big thank you to the volunteers who took part in this example video. I could not have done it without you. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching, take care, and as always, work safe.